Okay, so I decided to make this video since I was making a simple function data pack anyways. I wanted an easy way to reveal only the iron in a specific chunk without using X-ray. I was using this to check the iron generation in a specific spot in my world that didn't look normal to me. The same basic setup will work for any simple command-based data pack though. Okay, so first off, I'm doing this in 1.21.11. And I had to look at the Minecraft wiki to see the changes that have been made to the folder structure as well as some of the syntax and wording that they use. So if you're doing this in an older version or if you're doing this in a newer version, make sure to check the wiki to see if anything has changed. I'll include a link to the wiki in the description. The first thing that you're going to want to do is locate your world folder. You can find it by selecting your world and then clicking the edit button. From here, you click the open world folder button, which will take you to the folder on your computer. Here you'll see your Datapacks folder, and you'll have a choice of either creating your files and folders manually, or you can get started by using the new command in Minecraft. I think it's the easiest way, so that's what I'm going to do. So I need to come back here, start up my world, and then I can type the command datapack space create, and then I need to give it a name based off of what it is I want it to do. So since I'm going to be replacing blocks in the chunk, I'm just going to call this one replace, and then it requires a description, which you can leave empty. I'm just going to say commands to replace blocks. Now just press enter to run that command and it will create some of the folders and files for us. Now in the Datapacks folder, we also have a replace folder. If you were doing this manually, you would have to create that folder and name it whatever you wanted for your data pack. This pack.mcmeta file you need to open using any text editor. I'm going to use Notepad++. It's kind of important because it tells Minecraft what this pack actually is. As you can see, it has the description inside, as well as a minimum format and a maximum format. And you would have to look this up based on whatever version it is that you are creating a data pack for, because it changes. Since we use the create command, we don't have to do anything else to that file. Inside the data folder, we need to right click and create a new folder. And this is a namespace for our data pack. Kind of like when you're typing a command and it has the Minecraft then colon in front of it. So I'm going to call this one show iron. Inside of that, we need to create another folder. And this one is going to be called function. This is going to be different depending on your version because they've changed it. It used to be called functions with an S. But since 1.21.1, it is function without an S. In this folder, we need to create a new document. So I'm going to create a new text document. And if you cannot see the .txt on the end, then you need to come up here to these three dots and go to options. And on the view tab, you need to make sure that hide extensions for known file types is unchecked. If it's not unchecked, then you won't be able to see the .txt.exe. So here you can see if I check it, all of a sudden the .txt is gone. So that needs to be unchecked. That way you'll be able to see it and edit the file type. Now this file needs to be renamed to whatever I want to call my function. So I'm going to call it clear, and then the file extension needs to be mcfunction. When you press enter, this is going to pop up. Obviously you want to say yes because you're changing the file type. Right click and open it in whichever editor you want to use. Notepad++, Notepad, it doesn't matter. I like Notepad++. This is going to contain any commands that we want to run. Since I'm going to be deleting blocks, I'm going to be using the fill command, and I'm going to have to run a lot of them because I'm getting rid of everything except for iron ores. Also, the commands you place in this file will not use the / like they do in the game. I actually used ChatGPT to generate these commands for me so I didn't have to type them all out one by one. These are very simple commands, just replacing any block that is not iron ore with air. But one thing to watch out for is to make sure that the commands you're placing in here are valid Minecraft commands. On my first attempt of doing this, I ended up trying to replace blocks in too large of an area and it didn't work, so I actually had to split it and basically write everything twice to split the area of what I was trying to replace. Now, if you closed your world, load it up again, and if you didn't close your world, you'll have to also run this command /reload just to make sure that it recognizes the data packs. If it still doesn't, try closing and reloading the world. So now I can type function and it automatically right there shows me that it is working. It wouldn't show the autocomplete if the function actually wasn't being recognized and wasn't working. So that's the best way to test it, is to see if that actually works. So I can just press tab to do that and enter, and there we go. It cleared the entire chunk of everything except for the iron ore. If you want to see the survival context for why I made this, that video will be linked down below. And if you want to see more, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.